Hello everyone, welcome to Pathshala classes. Here at Pathshala classes, we make the concepts easy and more simplified for you all to understand. Let me begin by introducing myself. I am Sabha Arora and I am here at Pathshala classes to teach you maths. छोटे बच्चों के बीच में मैथ्स को एक डिफिकल्ट सा सब्जेक्ट माना जाता है, बट मैं ये नहीं मानती. अगर आप मैथ्स को अच्छे से समझे तो मैथ्स हमारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन सकता है. सो आई विल ट्राई कि मैं मैथ सब्जेक्ट को आपके लिए आपका एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड बना दूं. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर टुडेज फर्स्ट क्लास. सो इन आवर फर्स्ट क्लास आज मैं आपसे 5 डिजिट नंबर का कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में बात करने जा रही हूँ. एंड दिस वीडियो इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर क्लास 4 स्टूडेंट्स. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर सेशन. सो आज की क्लास में हम क्या क्या कवर करेंगे पहले वो डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको 5 डिजिट नंबर्स के बारे में बताऊंगी. देन आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू रीड द 5 डिजिट नंबर्स. आई विल आल्सो टेल यू कि हम 5 डिजिट नंबर को एबैकस पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. एंड इन द एंड वी विल learn how to write the numbers in the expanded form. So let's start with our session. I hope you all are excited. So let's begin. So let's learn 5 डिजिट number. हम सभी को पता है कि लार्जेस्ट 1 डिजिट नंबर क्या है, 9. और अगर हम 9 प्लस 1 करते हैं तो क्या आता है? इट्स वेरी सिंपल, 10 आता है. वी ऑल्सो नो दैट लार्जेस्ट 2 डिजिट नंबर इज 99. एंड व्हेन 99 प्लस 1 करते हैं तो वी गेट 100 एज द आंसर. वी ऑल्सो नो दैट लार्जेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर इज 999. and when we plus 999 plus 1 we get 1000 as our answer. The largest 4 digit number is 9999, and when we add 1 in 9999 we get 10,000 as our answer. This 10,000 is a 5 digit number. The 5 places in the 10,000 are, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, and this is 10,000s. I'll show this in the tabular form. 10,000s को we write in short as TH. Then thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So we'll write 0 here, 0, 0, 0 and 1. So this is the 5 digit number. 5 digit number we have 5 places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000s. Let me also show you 10,000 on abacus. So let's see. I'll make a abacus for you. So this is our abacus. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, and this is 10,000s. So at 10,000s place we have 1, so we'll put 1 here. As you can all see, at 10,000s place we have 1, so I have put a 1 beat in 10,000s place. So this is place value chart, place value representation, for 10,000. I hope I am clear with up to this. Now I'll start with another concept with you all. Now the next concept which I'm going to discuss is how we can represent 5-digit number on place value abacus. So let's see कैसे हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट नंबर्स को ऑन प्लेस वैल्यू अबैकस पे. इसको समझने के लिए हम एक एग्जांपल की हेल्प लेते हैं. So let's take a 5-digit number example. Let's suppose I'll take the number as 23141. So better understanding के लिए I'll make another table. We have 5 places here: 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 1 is at ones place, we'll put 1 here. 4 is at tens place, we'll put 4 here. 1 is at hundreds place, we'll put 1 here. 3 is at thousands place, so we'll put 3 here. And 2 is at 10,000s place, so we'll put 2 here. Now let's draw abacus and we'll represent it on abacus now. So I'll write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. I'll put 1 bead here in ones, 4 beads in tens, 1 bead in hundreds, 3 bead in thousands, and 2 beads in 10,000s. So this is the abacus for the number 23141. Now let's move ahead with another example. Another number which I'm taking is 61203. I'll write the place value of the number here for you to understand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000s. Now let's draw an abacus. Understand it more better. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Now let's draw beads. 3 it is ones place, so we'll put 3 beads here. 1, 2, 3. 0 it is tens place, so we'll put no bead here. 2 is at hundreds place, so we'll put 2 beads here. 1, 2. 1 is a thousands place, so we will put 1 bead in thousands place. And 6 is at 10,000s place, so we'll put 6 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with this, I am finished with the concept of place value. I hope I am clear till here. So now I am beginning with a new concept. And the new concept is I will help you out to how to read 5-digit numbers. हमने ऊपर सीखा कि 5-digit नंबर्स होते कैसे हैं, 5-digit नंबर में कितनी प्लेसेस होती है. अब हम रीड करेंगे कि हम 5-digit नंबर को पढ़ते कैसे हैं. सो लेट्स टेक सी. सो उससे पहले हमने सबसे पहला 5-digit नंबर जो हमने पढ़ा वो था 10,000. सो वी रीड 10,000 एज 10,000. Let's take another example. This numerical is read as 40,000. Let's take another numerical. This numerical is read as 60,000. Let's take another number. This number is read as 72,500। आपको शायद रीड करने में थोड़ी अभी प्रॉब्लम फेस हो रही होगी, तो मैं आपकी इस प्रॉब्लम को थोड़ा ईज कर देती हूँ। तो इस प्रॉब्लम को बहुत बहुत इजी सा है, हम इसको बहुत इजीली रीड कर सकते हैं। और बस आपको एक ट्रिक आपको मैं बताऊंगी जिससे आपके लिए रीडिंग ऑफ द नंबर्स बहुत इजी हो जाएगा। वो ट्रिक क्या है? यू जस्ट हैव टू सेपरेट द नंबर्स with a comma. Like we have to separate, we have to read 500 as separately and 72 separately, and we'll put a comma in between. थाउजेंड्स में जो नंबर होते हैं उनको हम एक साथ रीड करते हैं, देन वी रीड 500s number, then tens, and then ones. Like here, first I will read, read 72. I'm sorry, uh, sorry. Here we will read 72,000, एक साथ पढ़ेंगे 72,000 को, एंड 500 को अलग से पढ़ेंगे। थाउजेंड्स में जो नंबर है उनको हम इकट्ठे पढ़ते हैं। सो 72,000, then we'll continue with the next group, then we will read 500. Let's take another example to understand it more better. I'm taking a numerical. I'll add a comma in between, and how we will read. We will read 83, the number in the thousands placed together, and then the number in hundreds, tens, and ones together. So how to read this number? We read this number as 83,750. It's as simple. Let's take one more example. You just need to put comma between thousands and hundreds number. And now we will read this number. Thousands, these two numbers we'll read together, and these number together. Now let's see how we can read it. We'll read it as 64,046. Another example. How we read this number? We read this number as, first of all, we'll put a comma in between, and then we'll read it as 53,129. Let's take one more example to understand this more better. How do we read this number? We read this number as, first of all, we'll put comma in between. Then we'll read this number as 61,203. So I hope you are clear with this concept. Now, I am moving ahead with the last concept for today, and that last concept is how to write the number in expanded form. It's quite simple. So let's begin. To begin with, I'll take another number, 5-digit number. Let's take it as 65,329. So this is our 5-digit number. I'll write it in a place value chart. Since 9 is at ones place, we'll put 9 here. 2 it as tens place, so we'll put 2 here. 3 is at hundreds place, so we will put 3 here. 5 is at thousands place, so we will put 5 here. And 6 is at 10,000s place, so I will put 6 here. Now, since 9 is at ones place, so we will write it as 9 ones. 2 is at tens place, so I will write it as 2 ones. 3 is at hundreds place, so I will write it as 3 hundreds. 5 is at thousand place, so I can write it as 5 thousands. And 6 is at 10,000 place, so I can write it as 6 10,000s. And this is nothing but expanded form. Now I'll show you how to write it in one line. So the number was 65,329, right? Now I'll write its expanded form. Its expanded form is 6 10,000s plus, we'll add a plus in between, 5 thousands plus 3 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 9 ones. We can also write it in another form, and that form is that we can 6, and we can write it as 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 9. Let's take one more example to understand expanded form better. I'll take the number as 65,000. I'm writing the place value on the above the number for you to understand better. We can the expanded form of this number is 6 10,000s plus 5 thousands plus 0 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. We can also write it in another form, and that form is 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 0 hundred plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. So this is the expanded form for the number 65,000. Let's take one more example. I'll take the number as 75,328. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. The expanded form of this number is 7 thousands. Sorry, it's not thousands, it's 7 10,000s. I'm really sorry for the mistake. 7 10,000s plus 5,000s plus 300s plus 2 10s plus 8 1s. Another way to write it, the expanded form is 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 8. I hope I'm clear with the concept of the 5-digit number. So with this, I am completed with the concept of the 5-digit number. In the next video, I'm going to discuss with the 6-digit number. So please do subscribe to our channel, Pathshala Classes. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day.